That's a really good question, which I'm going to Google when you leave. I don't think so. I've never ticketed anybody for eating and driving. I've never seen it done. But is there something in the vehicle code that states you cannot do it? I don't think there is.
If it was like obviously distracting that person and you saw that.
What happens is if somebody is eating a Big Mac while they're driving and they leave their lane or almost cause an accident, is that a violation? Sure. And we would probably cite them for careless driving in that situation, not eating and driving. So.
Just toss the gulp. Oh yeah, that was a good one. That was a good one. Oh, you missed it. Oh yes, get it. Oh, you're on a roll. Oh my God, hit the brake. Hit the brake, John. John, hit the brake.